we're learning about the letter A. This is the letter A. The letter A is a vowel, which means when we say it, we have an open throat. And the letter A makes 5 sounds. A, or, o. A, ant. A, mate. A, task. Or, walk. And o, was. A only makes its o sound after a W. So that's something you can keep in mind when you're reading or when you're writing. This is a capital letter A, and this is how we write it. Start at the baseline, draw a diagonal line up to the tall letter line, and draw a diagonal line down to the baseline, and then a small line in the middle on the small letter line. This is a lowercase letter A, and this is how we write it. Start at the small letter line, draw a curved line around to the baseline, and then up to the small letter line again, and then down to the baseline. And that's everything you need to know about the letter A. Thanks for learning with Mrs. W. See you soon.